morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, today I am going to teach you one of the important writing portion, that is article writing. Dear students, in previous videos of writing section, I have told you in details about the writing portion, or we have discussed on different topics on this important topic. Or one more thing I want to tell you, dear children, a question will surely and certainly come from article writing in your board exam. So we have to discuss this topic in detail, or we have to discuss different topics. Today I am going to tell you one of the important topics, or the topic for today's discussion is role of parents in life of children. Dear students, as I have told you in previous videos of writing portion, especially in article writing, first you have to write the name of the topic, title, and after that, dear children, you have to underline the topic, and then you have to write the name of writer. If in question any name is given, then you have to write that, or if not given, then simply you will write XYZ. So this is all about the format. Dear students, as I have told you that topic for today's discussion is role of parents in life of children. So I want to tell you, dear children, that children are the future of our country. They are the future of their parents also. Without them, we cannot hope a developed nation, a strong nation. So children are very important. They are the sound investment of their parents. They represent the society, they represent the country, or they are very important for their parents. Or if the youth and children are in better position of any country, so it is clear that nation will be also in better position, in a strong position. But it all depends on parents. The development and the future of children is totally related to parents. Parents play a very vital role in the life of children. Without parents, the future of children can never be bright. What I want to tell you, dear children, कि children are important part of family, society and nation. But unfortunately, in today's materialistic world, the relation between parents and children are becoming thinner and thinner. The emotional bonding which is between parents and children are becoming thinner and thinner. It may break any time. It may snap. So parents have to think over that. I want to tell you one more important thing. Ki nowadays it is seen that parents are busy always in earning money. They are busy from early in the morning to late night only and only for making money, for earning money. But they are unable to understand the feelings and sentiments of their children. They don't have time to talk to their children. They don't have time to live with them, to talk with them, to know their feelings and emotions. Because their main motto and main objective is to earn money. I want to tell you that many parents, or most of the parents, they think that by providing all the facilities and all the luxuries to their children, their duty is over. But they don't know that more than all the facilities and more than the luxurious things, their children need their love, their emotions, their moral and mental support, or which is more important than money. Dear children, money is important and essential in our life, but it is not more important than the future of our children, or it should not be the ultimate aim of our life, because our children are very important for us. Or if they will not be good human being, if they will not be in good position, if they will not get the moral and mental support of the parents, so what is the use of that money? Dear children, many times it is seen that due to lack of parental care, due to lack of support of parents, or due to not giving and spending sufficient time with the children, the children feel isolated, they feel neglected, or in lack of parental care, sometimes they follow the wrong path also. Sometimes it has been seen that they go in company of bad people, they become gambler, they become a smoker, or they are engaged in antisocial activities, illegal activities. It is because of the lack of parental care. It is because of not involving the parents. Due to that, they are seen on the wrong path. So parents have to think over that. Parents have to think about the future of the children. They must know the money which they are earning their children, the work, the hard work which they are doing from early in the morning to late night for making bright future to their children, it will become futile, it will become useless if they are not able to give them right direction. If the parents are unable to give them right, to show the right path. So parents' duty is to show them right path, to give them right direction, so that they can become a good human being, a successful human being in their life. Or for that, dear children, they have to spend some time with the children. They have to understand their feelings, their sentiments. Parents must spend some time with the children, and they must try to know their problems. They must try to support them mentally and morally. Or if they support their children mentally and morally, they are solving all their problems positively. Or if they have taken their children in confidence, so obviously the particular child or the children will not feel alienated, or they will not hide anything from their children, or they will follow the right path instead of moving on and engaging in illegal activities. So parents must know their duty. They should think that money is important for survival, but it is not more important than the future of their children. Children can survive in less resources, but if in lack of parental care they will be engaged in illegal activities and they will follow the wrong path, so all the money which the parents have saved in banks and all other investment will become useless. So lastly, what I want to tell you, dear children, that main focus and total focus of parents should be on their children, especially their objective should be to know the feelings and sentiments of their children. Because in less resources, they can make them a successful human being. Or if parents are doing and performing in such way that they are emotionally, mentally, they are attached with their children, or children don't feel frightened, alienated in the company of their parents, so obviously they will become a good human being. Or one more thing I want to tell you, कि a father can be a successful father when he is finally able to make his son a successful human being. So the success of parents is in the success of children. So lastly, we can say that parents should give some time. They should spend some time with their children. They should try to know their problem. They should not think that only giving money and providing the facilities, their duty is over. Because more than money, more than facilities, they need the moral and mental support of the parents. They should earn money for the survival, for their future. But with that, they should give some time to them also. They should make a comfortable atmosphere in the family so that the children can share their problems with the parents. They may tell any things without any fear, without any hesitation to the parents. Or if parents are able to make such atmosphere in the family and they are successful, they are able to know the feelings and sentiments, and they are doing, after knowing their feelings and sentiments, they are taking decisions. So obviously the children will be able to reach in the peak, they will be able to reach at the peak in their life, or they will be able to become a successful human being. But it can all be possible only and only after the support of parents. So parents are very, very important, dear children. It is all about this topic. I hope you have understood, and you will write in your notebook, and I hope the topic you have understood. This is all about this topic, role of parents in life of children. Thank you, dear children.